Good day everyone. I'm Christian introducing MyWebAR, an easy to make or do online service that creates augmented reality teaching aids without any code and experience. So, to start off, MyWebAR is an example of augmented reality app or website that uses markers to display the model you choose. So, in order to create your first AR, click Create New Project and import its project name. So here, you can choose the type of AR model or AR experience you want to create. So for me, I'll select AR on a QR code, which is example of a mark or marker AR. So now you can see the interface of the cloud editor. On the left side, which is here, on the left side you can see the different kind of content which you can add to your project. You can see images, videos, 3D models, audio, and many more. So first, I'll import my first project, which is a 3D model. So here you can see you can use or import different kinds of 3D models, from varying to animals, kids, architecture, cars, vehicles, and many more, which can aid for teaching or making projects. So I'll select animals and pets, and I'll select this animal. On the middle, which is here, you can see an interactive window where you can preview your project, and you can use your mouse, or if you are on mobile, fingers to adjust the angle, like this and this. So, as for my 3D model, I want to add some actions to it to make it more livelier. So in the properties, I'll click this add action. And as you can see, when you interact with your 3D model on the display, you can maybe open a web page on a click, play a sound on click, or rotate object, and many more, as you can see here. So I want to open a web page on a click. So in here, I can add a URL right here, that they will be directed to the website about this particular 3D model. Now, if you are finished editing your 3D model, you can click it to save. Now, as you can see, it is loading, and you can publish your work now or later. So I would like to publish it now. And here, this is the marker where if you scan it on your phone, the animation will appear, or the 3D model will appear. So I can choose to download it. And there. Right now, using your QR code that you got from your project, scan it to your phone. And as you can see here, you can see the 3D model of the project you make. And if you click on it, you will be redirected to the information that you paste on the link on the project when you click on the 3D model. That's it for today, guys. See you next.